if you don't know how to make a copy of the class assignment, this is how you do it. Okay, so I'll go through it step by step. 要把作业做好的话，要怎么样把它做一个 copy？这是这个做法。Okay, let's see. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Whoops. So, for example, this is your extended home learning assignment. You're going to do this every week. 每个礼拜都要把这个作业练习做好。Okay? 每个礼拜要做这个作业的话是这样子做法。This is how you make a copy of this weekly assignment. So let me go back to, this is where you will find, for example, for SCI 3-4, it is here. Oops, sorry. It will be here. Okay, so it's going to say independent practice. So you open this copy, 把这个打开，压一下，这样 you click on this. Okay. How do you make a copy is right here. File. Make a copy. One more time. File. Make a copy. And then when you make a copy, then you can name it. 把这个改成另外一个名字. You can change this copy to, for example, assignment number 5, SEI. Okay, period 6, for example. Okay, or if you're an SEI 1-2, then you just say SEI period 2. Okay, 随便你们怎么选择, whatever you want to name it. But I think it's a good idea to name it in English. Okay, practice naming your things, your documents in English. That's a good idea. Okay, so just leave it here and it's going to say my drive. And you say, okay. And there you go. So you see right here is what you named your copy. 你的 copy 是你自己把它改成名字就在这边. Okay, so it pops up your copy and then you type your answer. Okay, then you type your answer. So I hope that explains how you make a copy of a document. Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions.